Hi everyone, welcome to the Xoro tutorial for creating a pricing level using the pricing rule module. I'm on the pricing rule module, and what this does is basically it automates a particular discount or a certain price to a certain customer or a group of customers for select items or any item. So what I can do is I can create a pricing level. Give it a generic name here. Now, again, the difference here is pricing level is if you want to assign a specific price for certain customers or certain items should get a particular discount or something like that. Whereas pricing restriction is basically if you want to ensure that your reps are selling certain items at a certain level, like they're basically, let's say you want to prevent them from selling it below cost or something like that. In that case, you'd set up pricing restrictions. So let's set up a pricing level in this case. I'm going to make it, you can make it so that it applies to anyone in the system, any customer. You can apply to a specific customer or any customer group. And if you have, let's say, 5 customers in the customer group here, then basically all 5 of those customers will get affected. So let's apply it to a specific customer in this case. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply it to, again, now I can apply this to any item or a particular item, an item group or an item brand, right? So let's go any item. So basically, when this came up customer, when any item gets added in a sales order module, basically what I can do is I can say, okay, well, let's give them a percentage discount from standard price. Let's give them an 80% discount, right? And again, you can set the pricing currency. So this is basically going to apply for whatever currency the customer is. So if the currency, for example, came up as a Canadian currency, and so in that case, what we want to do is set this up for Canadian. That way, it'll apply to all Canadian customers, rather Canadian customers that is came up in this case. So let's do 80% and hit save. Now what'll happen is if I pull up a sales order, add came up and add any item, I'm always going to get 80% of standard price that gets fetched automatically in that module. So this is how pricing levels work, and this is really handy if you want to automatically give a particular customer some kind of discount or some kind of set price. You can see here the adjustment type, you can do all sorts of things. You can do a fixed price, markups and markdowns and so forth.